As I walk along this road of life, I'm troubled on every side with pain and strife. But I hold to the cause that is so dear. As the end draweth near, I trust the Lord. For the Lord won't leave me in the ground. Angels will come with heavenly sounds. He'll raise me to his right hand, to the morning light, the glorious land. Sickness and sorrow, I can't see tomorrow through my struggles and my fears. Long for the light as I fight this good fight, but the darkness stings, yet I choose to sing. The Lord won't leave me in the ground. Angels will come with heavenly sounds. He'll raise me to his right hand, to the morning light, the glorious land.